In this video, we will learn how to apply a specific effect to text using the warp tool. First, we make a copy of our image and separate the subject from the background. Next, we type our desired text and place it at the center of the subject. Then, we select the warp tool and set it to the cylinder mode, pulling it downward. We make a copy of the text and reverse the process. I want the entire image to be black and white, with only the subject's shirt in color. I select the orange parts of the image. Create a black and white layer, and mask those areas in reverse. Now, it's time to add shadows to the text. For this, I use the brush tool, create an empty layer, and mask it to the text. I repeat this process with the upper text as well. Finally, I add some glow to my text. To enhance the appearance, you can also add a bit of orange light to the subject. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.